My name is Fatin. I'm from Iraq, Middle East. I discovered about this beautiful human genius doctor through my friends. She's also from Middle East. She was almost blind, and he fixed her eyes when she saw me in a bad mood and very collapsed with the glasses, and I'm not able to do my things in a proper way, do two glasses to read or things, and with my mom and dad looking after them. She says to me, if you want to save yourself, just go to him and he will fix you and bring you back to this world. And I came. I supposed to come earlier. I called to see him, but my situation got bad and I couldn't. Next year, I managed to come, and I was a little bit afraid and hesitated. I didn't. This is the first time that I check about my eyes or do these things, and within just like this, within 1 second, 1 minute, as if it's a dream, I did the surgery. I came back to normal life. And I kissed his hand as culture. In our culture, when we've been grateful to someone for doing things that give us, peace with ourselves, to kiss their hand as a thankful or I'm grateful to him. Before that, I was even not yearning to work, because at work I need to be careful, especially if I do admin things. So I was a little bit hesitant to submit for any kind of job to work or to have my chance. But now I'm not afraid. I'm okay. I can see. I can smile. He brings me back to life. How many doctors do you have? I didn't meet, only one doctor here. It's Ayham, because he was my mom. Specialist for eyes. But he says. I said to him, I don't want to do anything. I was a little bit hesitant, afraid. But back home, no, I was checking my eyes with one of also a very famous doctor there. But here, he is the only one. This is Dr. Motwani. I love him. I really pray. I will pray for him. I will always tell my friends. His cards is with me, giving his cards to everyone, just to make them sure that they will be in the safe hand, and someone that he is not working for money or get a good income or just no, he is working for human. From the beginning, I have a big faith in Indian methods, morals, principles, what they believe. I have a very best friend back home, back India. She is Bharti, she's my best friend. So when I knew that he is Indian, I said, okay, no way, I'm gonna give you myself with no any hesitation. And this is what happened. My vision is completely 100% perfect. I'm very happy. I'm very fine. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do, just to tell him or to show him how much I thank him and how much I'm grateful for him.